Hey all. So currently we have to discuss regarding non-functional testing. So before we have discussed the functional testing, already in the previous video I have uploaded in YouTube in this channel. So currently we need to discuss non-functional testing. So non-functional testing, it's nothing but we have to validating the customer expectation. So under the non-functional testing, we have graphical user interface testing, usability testing, compatibility testing, software. Under compatibility testing we have two types of testings, hardware and software. And coming to fourth one, inter-system testing and security testing. Under security testing we have authentication testing, direct URI testing, user permission testing, encryption testing. Okay, here one by one we have to discuss non-functional testing related topics. Okay, first one, graphical user interface testing. It is nothing but testing the front end design of an application. Example, in the application we can see in the front end so like colors and backgrounds and field alignments, like we have text fields, radio buttons, fields are there so according to client expectation we need to align on the left or right side according to requirement, and any spellings mistake, any grammar mistakes or buttons, everything under the GUI testing it's come. And coming to second one, usability testing. Usability testing is nothing but validating whether the application is user friendly or not. User friendly means easy to use and easy to understand. Okay, for example, I am a user. For example, Amazon application is there, so I need to use based on the. I will use that application comfortably. It's understandable for every user. So like that, we have to test for the under usability testing also. And for coming to third one is compatibility testing. So compatibility testing, we have two types. One is software compatibility testing and second one is hardware compatibility testing. Coming to software, so validating whether the application works under various operating systems and various browsers or not, we have to check. And coming to hardware, we need to check hardware related and networks related. On that we need to test the compatibility testing. And coming to inter-system testing, validating the interconnection between two servers and two softwares. Example, ICICI ATM card. Okay, what means, so for example I have ATM card, I mean debit card from HDFC, but I need to withdraw from ICICI ATM. So I need to go and I need to check the amount. I can able to collect the amount, and I can able to send the amount also. So okay, both are two different servers, right? But even though we are able to receiving the amount and we can get the amount and we can send and we can verify our balance and everything so it's under come the inter-system testing. And coming to security testing, security testing is nothing but we have testing how secure the application. So we have one application, on that application we have to how, I mean we are, sorry, we have to test that application is secure, securely. So we have different types of security testing types are there. One is the authentication testing and direct URI testing, user permission testing, and encryption testing. Yes, sorry. Authentication testing, it is a testing whether valid user is accepted or not and individual user is rejected or not. Like like we have to verify. Example, valid password, login successfully. Valid username and valid password, you can able to login successfully. And invalid user, invalid password, so should not login. So authentication means, for example, I am Ravi Kumar, username Facebook. Example. So if I log in, if I enter valid username and valid password, then only I can able to log in into the Facebook application. Then I can see my profile, my name, and my details. So if I enter my different types of, it's like a different username and different password if I enter na, so if I again log in or that's the, I mean that's the under authentication testing, it's everything come like for example I have entered my details, but I can able to see instead of Ravi Kumar, I can see Ramesh. Then it's a not authentication. Na? So like that, we have to test for the authentication testing. Sorry, my voice. On direct URI testing. Direct URI testing. Sorry, testing means sorry direct URL testing means validating the application with the direct URL is called direct URL testing. So for example, okay, just we have discussed Facebook now. So after login with my username, I mean with my credentials, I can get one URL on the browser now. So if I copy and paste in another browser, or if I share to anyone, if they open, it should not open. If it is open na, so there is no I mean there is no security for that application. Okay, like that we have to test everything. So in that they have cookies and the sessions are there. So based on the sessions and cookies, we have to log in. Okay, diet means I have already said na. Okay, if I send through that link to my friend, he can open and he can see my details and everything, my personal chat even. Right, so that's the reason we have to test that also. This is the user permission testing. User permission testing is nothing but validating the user permissions limitation of access of an application. For example, I am the admin and HR is there and employee is there. So for the employee portal, he can, I mean in the application in the HR portal, he can employee related login, he can see his details only. Is I mean it's like his name and his day monthly salary and his position, everything every details he can see from himself only. But coming to HR, he can HR can see, he can manage everything, so he can have some more access. And admin means he can have every access, like it's a super admin. Like that we have to give the permissions. So example, HR he can see every employee salaries, but coming to employee, he can't see every employee salary slips. He can himself only he can see, right? So that is under the user permission testing. So encryption testing is nothing but for example, I have entered one password, I can see in star mark, and like that we can see under the encryption testing secure data is encrypted or not. And after that, um, when we send the OTP, we can see one. Okay, in Aadhaar card also, when we open that na, so we can see in the like XXX, like finally we can see 4 or 5 digits na. So like that, is that encrypted or not? We have to verify that also. So just as of now, have simply discuss little topics. So after that, in the next session, we will able to complete total non-function related testing. Thank you. Keep watch.